Hello guys, this is Masterpiece FX right here. Today is 25th of April, Friday, and I saw another setup on GBP USD, which I still have the confidence of it buying to a higher high from its current position. So I just want us to dive into the chart to see what's going on there. So here, market is still on an uptrend, as you can see. So I believe the market is going to push up to 35, 36 ish, but this is the daily time frame which we are on, and market did not actually break any structure on the higher time frame. On the daily time frame down to the 4 hours, I'm seeing this was my former entry, my former attempted entry, and it went against me. The market did not break the structure. This level here was supposed to be broken, but you see it did not happen. So now this is my entry point. This is going to be my entry point up to 36 now. So let's move down to the 15 minutes and see. So basically this is just like the pattern of what happened the last time. The market had a counter trend from this point again, exactly like it. I hope I learned from this. So this is just what is going to happen now. Market broke this trend line this time on a very strong candle, unlike the previous time. Let's take a look and see. So this was what happened. The market did not actually break. The candle here did not break. If this, assuming this candle broke, it would have been a better option to buy, but it did not. Unlike the current market here, market actually broke on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes worked. Let me see the 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes is almost the same thing. 7:58. This is the time currently. So we'll take a look at it, and looking at this candle wick rejections, these are also part of what's going to make me enter this trade. You see, so I'll have to wait. Definitely have to wait, because my entry has to be from this point. This is my target. From my entry should be from this point up to here, 36 or so. So I'll have to wait for market to come down here. I have to wait for market to come down based on what this candle did here. It rejected, and possibly this candle may probably come down here again and reject and then push up. So that's what I'm anticipating. So this is my entry level. If market comes back down here, I'm entering the buy. So let's see what's going to happen. Peace out, guys. Yeah, one more thing before I forget, that depending on when market comes to my entry, I may actually not be in a place where I can make an audible video. So I'll just kind of show my account being funded right now. So this is it. This is 5 points, unlike throughout the week where I had the previous loss. You see, so I had to fund another $5 now today. So I'm anticipating a sell, a drop, then I'll buy. So 2 entries as usual. That's what I anticipate to do. So until then, peace out, guys. Okay, guys, just coming back from the workshop. So let's just dive into the chat to see what happened today, because things rather changed. So let's go back to the chat. So guys, this was what happened today on the chart. GBP USD that I was anticipating a buy on. I was anticipating a buy from this level, from this zone, but unfortunately for me, I was not currently on the chart at the time this market tapped into this box, although it tapped into it twice. Yeah, so let's go down to the 15 minutes. I knew when it tapped it here, I knew when it touched this box from this period, so I was aware. So I decided to leave it for market to just, for me to see what was going to happen. And I was just watching. Then, funny enough, just the minute I took my eyes off the chart, getting busy in the workshop, this happened. Just this price, this was what I needed, something like this, and I would have gone in. I even put my alarm, my alert here on GU, so that if price gets there, it should alert me. But just by an inch, a very small stuff, less than an inch. I will not say an inch rather, but it's a very, very little move that just made me to miss this alert, so that I would have been aware. But that did not happen. I was busy, and that was how market was just moving up like this. And I'm not going to be surprised if market eventually from Monday just starts pumping like crazy. I won't be surprised. But this was just basically how I missed this, because I was busy in the workshop today. So it's all good, it's all good. But on the good side, I had to look for analysis to like prepare to trade. So I just had to look for an opportunity, and on US oil I saw something. The charts network. So on US oil, this was what I saw. I had to take this buy on US oil. This is not much move on derivative broker. If for guys that trade US oil, they should understand by now that this is not such a massive move as it is thought to be. So I just saw this move, and I had to jump in on US oil because I feel the market has to push up a little further. I think maybe probably above this level, or to this level, before we probably see more sells. So I just saw the opportunity, saw the candlestick, the weak rejections, and so on and so forth. So I had to jump in, and since then I've been holding this trade throughout today. So let's dive into the MT5 to show you how the trade went, or is going rather, because I'm still on the trade. So yeah, this is the derivative, as you can see. This is what happened. I entered this trade. So this is $35 you saw in the morning. I didn't take any other trade today. So it's one lot size, funny enough, but I'm not even seeing much moves. So I'm just hoping that this market should touch to $10, and then I'll find what next to do with it. But for now, I'm waiting for it to get to my TP on the, at least from it's just a little move remaining for it to get there, and then I exit. So that's just what I'm waiting for. So as you can see, 4 entries. I maxed out my entries. If you can see, the free margin is 0.721. So there was no more free entries from me. That's why it's just 4 entries. I wanted to do 5, but unfortunately I was not allowed due to the free margin and the derivative broker leverage. So that's it. That's all. So till I'm ready to close the trade, then I'll make the next video. Yeah, guys. So this is it. The TP hit, my TP level hit. So let's go back to this, and I'm here. I'm going to close this right here. Right. So secured $4.87 today. So this is my profit, total of 10.53. So yeah, until the next one, guys. Until the next one.